Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Facebook account. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Changing the language can make Facebook more accessible for users for more comfortable reading in a specific language. If your native language isn't the default Facebook language, changing the interface to your native tongue provides a more comfortable and user-friendly experience. Additionally, some users might prefer reading and interacting with content in a different language they are learning or enjoying. When you change your language on Facebook, the entire Facebook interface, including menus, buttons, and text, will switch to your chosen language. And all text-based content, including posts, comments, and messages, will be displayed in your chosen language. After changing language, notifications and alerts will also be presented in your chosen language. Changing your language on Facebook can significantly impact your experience on the platform. To change the default language on the Facebook app, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three horizontal lines representing the Facebook menu. Just tap on this icon to access various settings. If you are using an iPhone, it is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, a list of options will appear within the menu. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on this option to access further settings for your Facebook account. On the Settings and Privacy screen, you'll find various options related to your account privacy and settings. Tap on Settings. Within the Settings screen, scroll down and locate the Language and Region option. This will control your preferred language for Facebook and other regional settings. Tap on the Language and Region option to proceed. The Language and Regions screen will display various Facebook languages and regions. Find and tap on Language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. Now, a list of all available languages supported by Facebook will appear. Scroll through the list until you find your desired language. This list contains device language, US English, UK English, Hindi, Deutsch, Polski, Espanol, and more. Once you find it, tap on the language name to select it. Once you've selected the desired language, Facebook automatically changes the language of your account. Now, your Facebook interface will automatically switch to the newly selected language. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box.